No, and let's bring it closer to home. If you don't give value to your significant other, that significant other won't be there, won't be
Facts.
around. So
Facts.
that's something else you got to do. Family, kids, wife, husband, whatever you have, partner. You need to give value to each other, just like the same way that we're talking about in business as a
Yeah.
leader and so
Good
on.
point.
All right, man. So you know what? Recession is coming, and people are freaking out about it.
Right.
And one of the main things in that I tell people is if you want to make it through the recession, work on yourself.
Yes.
But also, which industries? I mean, you have experience with a lot of industries, and being 12 years in business, you've probably seen the ups and downs. Like, which
Yeah.
industries do you really think that are gonna be thriving? Just in case, hey, I'm listening to this and say, I need to start a business tomorrow, but
Yeah.
what should I go into? I don't
So
know.
funny, right? So I'm actually so when you're a leader in a
Yeah,
consulting firm, you have to pick an industry, right? So my industry
got it,
right now, it says in my bio is life sciences, right?
got it.
I would say life sciences are great, but I want to get out of that industry. I want to get into actually like commerce. So like retail, and I want to keep technology as well. So the two industries
Yeah,
I would recommend are technology and retail. And when I say retail, there are so many books on how to build a website and sell something, right?
yeah,
And that is a skill that you can have the rest of your life. And who knows when you might come across something that you realize, oh, there's a market for this. It may be
yeah,
these glasses, right? And you may
yeah.
come across somebody who says, I got a million of these glasses and I can't sell them. And you may find that, hey, you could just sell them for a little bit cheaper price. And instead of making 100 million, you make 10 million, but that's 10 million more than you had, right?
That's
So I
true.
would say that people should really be trying to look at things like Wix, Shopify, things where you can build online stores and sell things. And if at the very least you're just teaching yourself how to do it. And the
Yeah,
other thing I would say, even though I know the stock market would disagree a little bit, but technology. Let me tell you something. Technology is
yeah.
not going anywhere.
I'm not
You
going
talk
anywhere.
about recession is coming, and I would agree with you. Probably not by looking good. I've never